equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, unplug your Thermomix TM31. Gather your tools, a screwdriver, a new AC cable, and a motor coupling. Begin by removing the base screws. Keep them safe for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base off. This exposes the internal components. Next, inspect the AC cable for any damage. If it's frayed or broken, it needs replacing. Disconnect the old cable from the circuit board. Connect the new AC cable, ensuring a secure fit. Now, let's check the motor coupling. Look for any signs of wear or cracks. If it's damaged, replace it with a new one. Align it properly and press it into place. Before reassembling, clean the internal area with a soft cloth. This ensures optimal performance. Once everything is in place, reattach the base and secure it with the screws. Remember, for a professional diagnosis without obligation, consider our services. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about no calls, no travel. Get a quote before repair to ensure transparency. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.